Hello everyone and welcome to this special video. Now on Sunday the 18th of August, East Midlands trains will be no more, and the East Midlands Railway, who are owned by Abellio, will be taking over and operating in the brands of East Midlands Railway Intercity, East Midlands Railway East Midlands Intercity for the London services, East Midlands Regional for the local services in the East Midlands, and from next year, when it's electrified, East Midlands Electric, the St Pancras to Corby service. Now, that's 43048 coming from Nottingham, that's 22016 and 222103, which have the new East Midlands Railway Intercity branding, which was about to leave, but it's had to halt a bit because passenger was be there for an hour till I leave Scotland, which there'll be a video on, so do stay tuned for that. This one should be leaving. Whilst we wait for the Sheffield train to leave, the London train will leave. Horse 3048, TBC Miller MBE is on the front end. Sixteen 2213 have been delayed. I'll update you once there's more info on this. Get a train to Manchester Airport. Oh, by the way, 222016 and 222103 are now leaving. In the pouring rain is the Shed Leicester. There's Class 50 and Class 37s. Oh, and 17105 is leaving for Stansted Airport. Coming in on platform 2 is the 1024 to Nottingham. This service is calling at Loughborough, Beeston and Nottingham.
The track is being renewed at Newark. This will affect services on Leicester, Nottingham, Lincoln and Matlock, Derby, Newark and Castle routes. Buses will replace trains between Nottingham, Newark and Lincoln.
2 to 2023.
For more information, visit eastmidlandstrains.co.uk/AugustBH.
Also coming in on platform 3 is 1026 service, London Pancras.
First class accommodation is towards the front of the train. Bicycle services are at the very rear.
To ensure a safe and on-time departure, our train doors are closed 40 seconds before departure. Please allow plenty of time before boarding your train.
22001. This one still has the East Midlands trains branding. Two to 2023 is now leaving for Nottingham. 222-001 is now leaving London St Pancras, calling at London St Pancras only. Now, I'm afraid I may have to cut this video short because I'm due to be going up to Scotland and then have to take a diversion, and there's a train going to Sheffield in less than 10 minutes time that I want to get on, seeing as it's raining here. So first of all, to East Midlands Trains, thank you all for all that you've done whilst you've operated the East Midlands franchise the past 11 or 12 years. It has been a pleasure travelling with you and being on your stations. And also, I'd like to say I'm looking forward to when East Midlands Railway take over, especially when they bring the IETs to the Midland Main Line, and when the Corby services get the Class 360s off Greater Anglia, and for when the Class 180s from Hull trains come here on lease whilst we wait for the IETs, and for some of the services, local services, becoming more frequent. And again, apologies for this video being short. It wasn't meant to be, but due to the weather and other plans being messed up, I've had to. So I'd like to thank you all for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video, like it, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video. And also be sure to check out the Scotland video when it comes out. I've decided to catch an earlier train because I thought, since there's a chance to do it, I might do half an hour of spotting at Sheffield. It's 222-011. That's coming from London St Pancras. We'll be calling it Loughborough, Eastern Parkway, Mollington, Beeston, no, Derby, Chesterfield and Sheffield. So, sports train. Go and find a seat.